Pecans are a great source of healthy fats and protein. They can also help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Dates are a great source of fiber. Pecan energy balls are a tasty and nutritious snack that can help boost energy levels. They are high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Additionally, they are a good source of vitamins and minerals, such as magnesium and iron. Desiccated coconut is a good source of healthy fats, fiber, and minerals such as iron and zinc. It can also help improve digestion and boost energy levels.